This is the cauliflower recipe I make on repeat all winter. To make it, chop up a head of cauliflower and transfer it to a sheet pan. Add a sliced onion, 4 to 8 cloves of garlic, no need to peel, a few sprigs of thyme, and salt and pepper to taste. Add a 1/4 cup of olive oil and toss to combine. Transfer it to a 425-degree oven for about 35 to 40 minutes or until the cauliflower is beginning to brown. Remove the thyme sprigs and discard. Add a 1/2 cup of parmesan cheese and toss to combine. Return to the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes or until the cauliflower is caramelized to your liking. Transfer to a serving dish. This is so good, guys. I truly could eat the whole bowl. Be sure to have some toasty bread nearby to spread those buttery, soft cloves of garlic on. Enjoy!